Let us study the flow chart for the analysis of third group cation, which includes Al3+ ion and Fe3+ ion, and the group reagent for third group is nothing but ammonium chloride solid and ammonium hydroxide. Aqueous solution of ammonium hydroxide should be taken in excess. Now first of all you have to prepare aqueous salt solution, and then you have to check the absence of zero group, first group, second group, and then you have to proceed for the third group. Now let us proceed systematically. First of all, you have to add dilute HCl, that is the group reagent for the first group, into the aqueous solution of a salt, and if no precipitate will be obtained, it will confirm the absence of first group. To the above solution, you have to pass H2S gas to check the absence of second group. If no precipitate will be obtained after passing H2S into the above solution, second group will be absent. Now, before proceeding to the third group, you have to boil the H2S gas completely, or you have to prepare a fresh aqueous solution of a salt. Now, boil off the H2S gas till no smell of H2S will be obtained from the above solution. Then you have to add ammonium chloride solid, dissolve it completely, and then add excess of ammonium hydroxide solution into it. After adding ammonium hydroxide solution, if gelatinous white precipitate or reddish brown precipitate will be obtained, it will confirm the presence of third group cation. Al3+ ion may be present or Fe3+ ion may be present. Now next you have to proceed for the confirmative test of Al3+ ion and Fe3+ ion. To the white gelatinous precipitate, first of all you have to dissolve this white gelatinous precipitate. This white gelatinous precipitate will be obtained due to the formation of this aluminum hydroxide. Before proceeding for the confirmative test, you have to dissolve this precipitate, third group precipitate, with the help of dilute HCl. Now dissolve the precipitate completely and divide the solution into two parts. You have to divide the solution into two parts for confirming the presence of Al3+ ion in the given salt. To the first part of the solution, you have to add blue litmus solution into it. The color of this blue litmus solution turns red since the medium is acidic in nature. Now then you have to add ammonium hydroxide, aqueous solution of ammonium hydroxide. After adding ammonium hydroxide solution, white precipitate of aluminum hydroxide will be obtained, and that will turn blue due to the adsorption of this blue color dye on its surface. The color of this red litmus solution will again turns blue due to the medium because the medium becomes basic in nature after addition of this ammonium hydroxide. The white colored precipitate of aluminum hydroxide will be obtained, that will turn blue due to the adsorption of this blue litmus solution on its surface, and this will give the appearance of a blue floating lake. This blue colored precipitate will be floating in the transparent medium, give the appearance of a blue floating lake, and that is why it is known as lake test. Now again, first of all, you have to add a blue litmus solution to the first part of the solution, and the color of the blue litmus solution will turn red since the medium is acidic in nature. And then you have to add ammonium hydroxide solution. After adding ammonium hydroxide solution, the color of the red litmus will again turn into blue, and then white precipitate of aluminum hydroxide will be obtained, that will absorb this blue litmus solution and it will turn into blue, and this blue precipitate will be floating into the transparent medium, which gives the appearance of a blue floating lake, and that is why this test is known as lake test. Now to the second part of the solution, you have to add sodium hydroxide solution into it. White gelatinous precipitate of aluminum hydroxide will be obtained. After adding excess amount of sodium hydroxide solution into it, the precipitate will be dissolved due to the formation of this tetrahydroxyaluminate, sodium tetrahydroxyaluminate, and this will confirm the presence of Al3 plus ion in the given salt. And this second test is nothing but it is based on the amphoteric nature of aluminum hydroxide. It will be soluble in HCl as well as it will be soluble in sodium hydroxide, and in this way we can confirm the presence of Al3 plus ion in the given salt. Now for confirming the Fe3 plus ion, first of all, after adding group reagent, you will get reddish brown precipitate of ferric hydroxide, and you have to dissolve this precipitate with the help of dilute HCl again and divide the solution into two parts. To the first part of the solution, you have to add potassium ferrocyanide solution. And after adding potassium ferrocyanide solution, a Prussian blue color solution will be obtained due to the formation of ferric ferrocyanide complex. And this will confirm the presence of Fe3 plus ion in the given salt. To the second part of the solution, you have to add either potassium thiocyanate or ammonium thiocyanate solution into it. After adding ammonium or potassium thiocyanate solution into the second part of the solution, you will get a blood red colored solution will be obtained due to the formation of ferric thiocyanate complex or ferric sulfocyanide, and this will confirm the presence of Fe3 plus ion in the given salt. And in this way we have studied the flow chart for the analysis of third group cation, that includes Al3 plus ion and Fe3 plus ion. Thank you.